Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the specified user does not have a valid profile error on your Windows computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I actually recommend doing would be just to restart your computer and then attempt to launch the application again and see if you come across this problem. Another thing you can try here, if you're still having an issue, would be to go and open up your File Explorer. So go ahead and open that up from the taskbar, or you can search for it. And you want to select this PC on the left side. Double click on your drive where Windows or your programs more appropriately are installed on. So it might not be the Windows drive. So go ahead and double click on your Windows drive here. You can see there's a little Windows icon above the hard drive. So we're going to go ahead and double click on that. Double click on the Program Files folder. And then you want to locate Windows Apps. So again, Windows Apps right here. If you don't see it, you might have to go View Hidden Files and Folders. So select the View tab up here at the top and make sure Hidden Items is checkmarked. So on this Windows Apps folder, you want to go ahead and right click on it and select Properties. Select the Security tab. Select Advanced. Underneath Permissions, click Continue. Select where it says owner up here at the top, click the change button. Type in your username on your computer, so whatever your username is, and select check names. So you might have to play around with it a little bit in order to find the username, which I just did, and then select OK. So again, that'll be your username, so make sure that's selected there. Okay, so now that you just did that, you want to go check mark where it says replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Go ahead and select apply. And we'll take a moment here, so just be patient. Select OK. Select OK again. At this point, select OK, close it here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.